Alrighty guys, Chippy 12 here, and today I've got a pack of Scourge, so let's open it up. We've got a Titanic Bullvox, Reaping the Graves, Dragon Wings, Woodcloaker, Dragon Breath, Wipe Clean, Wirewood Guardian, Dispersal Shield, Torrent of Fire, Aven Liberator, Lingering Death. For the uncommons we have Skirk Volcanist, Proteus Machine, and our rare is Parallel Thoughts. Pretty nice. And we have a foil Enrage. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and check out Unless You Zombies channel for more magic videos.